growing up, my grandparents and their ancestors and everyone were physicians. And they were taught, the Western way of medicine, at least what was known at the time. But you gotta look back and say, okay, that wasn't always the case. So if my great-great-great-grandparents were physicians, how were they practicing medicine? And a lot of it had to be plant-based medicine. Unfortunately, we've lost a lot of that history and a lot of that art. Yes, there are home remedies that actually have some scientific background behind them. I think Dr. Larian mentioned turmeric. It's used in a lot of cultures. Even burning incense, for example. You think of it as maybe superstitious, but it actually has antibacterial properties. So there's a lot of old world medicine that still can be used for chronic conditions, to bringing body in balance. Again, I think the body has a lot of its defenses there. Sometimes we suppress them. Sometimes we don't let them go in vogue. And sometimes, the right treatment is, no, that's not the way to do it. We have, an infection, you give antibiotics, you fix it. But if you have chronic pain, you have chronic inflammation, you have to figure out what's the underlying source, but how do you bring that into balance? And no matter how much antibiotics you give to that condition, maybe it'll work for a few days, but in the long term, it won't.